Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 25th of May 2024. I'll be going over week 22's results for the day open versus day close for SPY. Without further ado, let me just move this here so we can get into this video. Oh, why is it not moving? Okay, here. Okay, so on the 20th, we had a buy signal where we made a profit of 0.09%. On the 21st, we had a loss of 0.337%. Bringing our cumulative portfolio return down to 7.999%. Alpha went down to minus 3.112%. 22nd May, we had a profit of 0.152%, bringing our cumulative P&L up to 8.152%. Alpha went up to minus 2.672%. Next, we had a buy signal, which gave us a minus 1.312% loss. Well, a 1.312% loss, bringing our cumulative return all the way down to 6.839%, and bringing our alpha significantly down to minus 3.254%. Finally, on the 24th, we had a profit of 0.299%, and a cumulative return that went up to 7.138%, and our alpha actually went down to minus 3.617%. So that's all for this week. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.